Hello my dear friends, welcome back to English Easy Learn. I hope you people started practicing. Definitely my videos will help you and support you to improve your English. This is all about speaking English. If you are something else, please you can go to other videos. This is completely about those who love to speak English. Yes, very good. Today we are going to discuss and learn to speak English. So through a small passage or a paragraph that is about dolphins. So first let us see about how to read, then we will learn new sentences. So it is about dolphins. Many of you might have heard and know about this is the animal which lives in water, aquatic animals we call it. So dolphins. Dolphins are aquatic mammals. Aquatic mammals. They breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. They have long snouts. Dolphins are intelligent animals that are easy to train by humans. We are able to train all. The dolphins are very friendly and playful. Dolphins live in groups called pods. Pods. They swim and hunt together. Dolphin circuses are famous all over the world. So it's found in all the countries all over the world, even in India like Goa, those places it's found. Okay. So this is a small passage, very easy to understand. So through this we enter into talk, because English speaking, it's not just sitting with the dictionary and going through the words, it's not possible. When you read books and when you go through a small passages, through that we are able to communicate. Now let us see. Dolphins are aquatic mammals. Yes, so aquatic is nothing but water. The animal which lives in water we call it as aquatic, and like a shark and those fish and seal, they are also called as aquatic. And this is a dolphin is one of the mammal I hope you know, which gives birth to young one, not laying egg. So they give birth to young ones. So mammals, they breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. So what is there on the top of their head? Through that they breathe. We breathe through nose, through our lungs, but they breathe through their blowhole. Through the blowhole they breathe. On the top of their head, where is it? On the top of their head. They have long snouts. Dolphins are intelligent. That is a very important one. They are very intelligent animals that are easy to train by humans. We can train. We cannot train all the animals. We cannot train shark. We cannot train blue whale. But we can train how and when we can train an animal which responds to human. The dog is the first domesticated animal, people say. So they listen to the command which is given by us. They follow us. Run means they run, come means they come, take the ball means it takes. So which listens and follows the human, and cat is very difficult to make it, but it is with us. But following the instruction, they are very slow, and it is very difficult to train the cat. If you beat the dog, it will come to you again and again. But if you beat continuously the cat, it will not come to you at the third day or the fourth day. The cats are like that. Okay, we will come to the topic. And dolphins are intelligent animals that are easy to train by humans. So we can train these dolphins very easily. So that is the reason they are used in the circus. The dolphins are very friendly. That is the word, very important word. They are friendly with the humans. They don't hurt. So they are very friendly and playful, very funny fellows. We used to know dogs are funny fellows. So here they are also playful and they are funny. We can also add a word. These dolphins are playful, funny, friendly. My friend is very funny. My friend is playful. So these are the words we can use here. Playful. Dolphins live in groups called pods. So they live in groups, we call like a collective noun, we call as a pods. Pod, P-O-D, pods. And if the tiger, lion lives in pride of lion, we say it. And sheep, we call it as the different names we have. And like that, if you take girls, a bevy of beautiful women, and those things we can use, bouquet of flowers and bundle of sticks, a bunch of grapes, like that the different words are used as a collective. So here also the dolphin groups we call as a pods. They swim and hunt together. They don't go alone, they go in groups. They go in groups and together they hunt. They live in groups, so they hunt together. Dolphin circus are famous all over the world. You are famous for your speech, you are famous for your talk, you are famous for drama, you are famous for your funny talk, you are famous for your intelligent. The different words you can use here. This is the word famous. All over the world, dolphin circuses are famous all over the world. Abdul Kalam, sir, Mr. Abdul Kalam is famous all over the world. Einstein is famous all over the world for his theory. And once again, dolphins are aquatic mammals. Okay, humans are mammal. We are also mammals. And they breathe through their blowhole on the top of their head. So which is on their top of their head, through that they breathe. We breathe through our nose. And they have long snouts. Dolphins are intelligent animals. You are an intelligent boy, you are an intelligent police, you are intelligent army man, you are a brilliant boy. So here you can replace the words intelligent, brilliant, clever, those words we can use. So in the place of intelligent animals that are easy to train by humans. We can train some of the animals. The word train is used, so which we train the dogs, we train this horses, so we train them. So that is a train by humans. Very good. So it's a nice passage we had, a nice time I had with you. I hope you listened very well. This passage would definitely help you to communicate and speak. So very easy words you are getting it through this passage, like a blowhole or mammals, aquatic, through, and intelligent, through. I can enter through this hole. I entered through this door. So we can use it how this, maybe a simple word, through. I entered through this window, I entered through this door, air entered through this window. So we say it, and like this they are the easy words. So we can pick it, those easy words, and we can use it in our everyday conversations. That's how we can improve our English. இந்த வீடியோ முழுமையாக நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. இந்த வீடியோ கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணும். நான் இதில் ஏன் இடையில தமிழில் பேசலை அப்படின்னா, இதுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக அவசியப்படாது. இட்ஸ் நாட் நீடட் டு ஸ்பீக் தமிழ். தட் இஸ் த ரீசன் ஐ பிக் very easy passages, because to learn Tamil we don't depend on any other languages. So in the same way, English also should be learned through English. So that will definitely take us very fast learning. We may find in the beginning difficult, but we will develop and we will start to speak very fast. So that is the reason I go with only English. So very easy passage. அதனால என்னடா தமிழ்னு சொல்கிறான், தமிழில் சொல்லவே இல்லை அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நினைக்காதீங்க. ஸோ தமிழ் தேவைப்படலை. இதை கண்டிப்பாக கேட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லா வேர்டும் புரியும், எல்லா சென்டென்சஸும் புரியும். ஸோ ட்ரை டு கன்வர்ஸ், ட்ரை டு ஸ்பீக். This will help you to speak English. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care, start speaking.